Shalom and blessed brothers and sisters, all praise to the Most High God, feel me? We got our shirts, baby. I've been holding this package, just waiting for a special moment, feel me? Wanted to open it, take my time, get my mind to it, man. I'm just so grateful for it. From Righteous Custom Apparel, my brother Poloh CO, you know, shouting you out, man. Appreciate all the tees you done blessed us with. You know, we pretty much any tee you see me wear, faith-based, is from Righteous Custom Apparel, feel me? So all praise to the Most High God. And by the way, the website is www.byrca.com. We got some official tees up there. And we finna open this thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, here we go, y'all. I've been waiting to open this thing here. Feel me, feel me. Know what I'm talking about? All praises to the Most High God, yo. Let's get it. We here. We in the building, baby. Uh-oh. I can do all things, boy. We got the, we go that dark heather, had that gray. My wife love gray. She probably already gonna snatch this up. I already know. I already know, son. I already know. That's why I got it. You know she like gray. Do you know she like gray, Ezra?
I know she likes gray.
She likes gray.
I know she loves gray.
She loves gray.
You like gray too?
Excited. I like gray too. That's one of my favorite colors too. So let me take that thing out myself first and foremost. Ooh, that thing official, man. That tee feel. Ooh. Oh snap! Y'all check it out. Can you see that? What it say, Ezra?
I can do all things through Christ. Faith.
I can do all things through Christ. We can do all things through Christ. Cole, this joint official. Goodness gracious, look at that joint. Whoo-wee. Ezra, hold it. Hold it. Man, that is tight, yo.
Ooh.
That red standing out on that white and gray. The blood, baby. The blood of the Messiah Christ, feel me? And guess what? I ain't wanna mix it up too much. Cause I know your mama gonna want one of these so we can have the same, our shirts be saying the same thing. And I'm gonna have to get y'all some too, you feel me? Y'all already got some I Can Do All Things. Y'all had some, my son had some of the first I Can Do All Things tees made by Righteous Custom Apparel.
Still has one.
Exactly, they had some of the first ones made by Righteous Custom Apparel. But look, it's official, man. Look at that. Official label on that thing. Can you see that, Halle? You know what I'm saying? Got the official label on that jank with the barcode code. You ready for the store? You understand that Righteous Custom Apparel with the barcode on them?
Black, right, white, and red.
Oh, man. Yeah, yo, black, that's me. I bought black for me. Look at that. Yo, that's me. What size is that? That's me all day. Look at that, y'all. Can you see that, Halle? Yeah, boy. Look at that. All praises to the Most High God. I can do all things through Christ. You feel me? Faith, that's everything. You know what I'm saying? So I had to pick one tee to wear today. Here you go right here. I'm going to have to change my pants. I don't want all that black on black. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? But either way, look at that jank, man. Brand spanking new. She fresh than a mug with the barcode code. All praises to the Most High God. Feel me? Look at that, man. Here, just hold that for me. So I'm going to put on the gray one right quick. Actually, y'all. I'm gonna throw this gray one on right quick. Here. Is it still recording? We rolling?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm finna throw that on now, man. That thing ain't even got no wrinkles, really. Like, feel me? Uh-oh. Boy, your mama gonna get me. I'm rocking the gray. That's why you laughing.
It does look
I gotta
cool.
rock the gray one.
It does look cool on you.
It look cool.
Mm-hmm.
She ready. Cole, look, man, all praise to the Most High God, man. You know, we supporting each other, man, and I'm just grateful to be able to scoop these joints. You know what I'm saying, man? And look how official that is. That's gonna hold up good, man, through time. Feel me? All praise to the Most High. Good quality tees, faith-based tees. Get to support your brother in the faith, amen. Even in the Hebrew community, feel me? All praise to the Most High God. You know, byrca.com. byrca.com is where I order these shirts from. And the Righteous Custom Apparel by Poloh CO. Feel me? So I thank you, Co, for all the tees you done blessed me with and the family with. You know, we supporting. You understand that we grateful, man. Keep up the good work, the great work. We order these things. We got them speedily, too. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? I'm just late opening because I wanted to wait till a special occasion. Feel me? So this is that. This is that special occasion. All praise to the Most High God in the name of your shadow. Now, and look, I'm grateful. And I got a word of wisdom for y'all. We got to throw something in there. We got a word of wisdom, baby. Hold on, Ezra. Don't make too much noise. We got a word of wisdom right quick. I received this word December 17th, 2019. Let's get it. Today's discipline is tomorrow's freedom. Okay? Today's discipline is tomorrow's freedom. One more time. Today's discipline is tomorrow's freedom. You understand? And all praise to the Most High God for that. And I have another word too that came to me recently. Praises to the Most High. And this came this year on April the 4th, right? If you focus on the past, you will struggle making history. Y'all hear that?
Yes, sir.
Come on, boy. All right, pay attention. I want y'all to absorb that too. If you focus on the past, you will struggle making history. Y'all get that? If you focus on the past, you will struggle making history. So today, we making history. We ain't focusing on the past, you understand? And today, we discipline ourselves for tomorrow's freedom, you understand? So, all praise to the Most High God. Thank you, Cole. We grateful for the teas. We grateful for all the love and support. And may the Most High continue to bless you, your household, your ministry, everything that He has ordained for you to do in your Shah holy blessed name. We just speak blessings over the whole situation. Blessings over your business. Blessings over everything you touch, because Psalm chapter 1 said so. All praise to the Most High God. Everything we touch, bless according to the word. Let's get it. Shalom.